Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yana and today we're going to talk with you about wishes and regrets. Perhaps everyone has once regretted about something he did or didn't do or wished the reality to be different. For that, we use I wish and if only. We use them to talk about the things we would like to change either about the present or the past. Before we start, don't forget to press thumb up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and turn on the notification so that you know when the new video appears. I wish you had enough time to watch this video up to the end. If you're ready to start, let's dive in. When we want our present or future to be different, we use if only or I wish and past simple. Yeah, we go one tense back. So this is something that we want to change about the present situation or the future situation, but definitely it's unlikely to happen. For example, I wish I had a bigger house. I don't have a bigger house, but I think that's a good idea. Or I wish I didn't have to work today, but I have to. So this is something pretty unlikely to happen.
I wish I lived in France.
I wish I were rich. I'm not rich, but this is my hope for the change in the future. Pay attention, I can say I wish I were rich, and I can also say I wish I was rich without any difference in meaning. In the written form, in the formal writing, it's more appropriate to use I were, but in a spoken option, I was is also correct. We can also use I wish or if only plus past continuous when we want to be doing a different action right now. I wish I were lying on the beach now. I wish it wasn't raining. However, we don't use I wish or if only for things that are really possible to happen in the future. We use I hope instead. I hope you pass the exam successfully. If I say, I wish you passed the exam successfully, it doesn't make sense in this context because your exam is in the future and it's pretty likely to happen because you studied a lot.
I hope you appreciate the opportunity you've been given in this house.
When we want to talk about something that has already happened and we cannot change it, that's why we regret about it right now, we use I wish or if only plus past perfect. Yeah, once again, we go one tense back.
I'm just so excited. I'm gonna get my GED.
I wish I had done that. I did not enjoy my high school experience.
I wish I had studied better at school. So I didn't study well, and now I'm sorry about that. I wish I hadn't eaten so much yesterday, but I ate a lot and now I don't feel well. By the way, what is the difference between I wish and if only? Actually, they are interchangeable. However, we use if only when we want to express the idea, a stronger idea, that the situation or the action we wish for doesn't actually exist and is very unlikely to happen. That's the only difference.
If only we had some kind of a sign.
When we want to express impatience, annoyance, and dissatisfaction with the present action, we use I wish or if only plus would and plus bare infinitive. I wish you would stop smoking. You are smoking at the moment and it's annoying me. I wish it would stop raining. I am impatient because it's raining and I want to go outside. I wish you wouldn't talk to your mother like that. I am dissatisfied with your behavior.
Yeah, I wish Stewart would reopen. I hate this place too.
All of these refer to something you wish would happen now or in the future. And this is something that concerns other people or other conditions, but not you. It's strange to say, I wish I would. And it's a bit unnatural to say like that. So instead, it's correct to say, I could. I wish I could, and bare infinitive. I wish I could swim, but I cannot swim. I wish I could drive a car, but I don't have a driving license, so I cannot drive a car. And the same we can say about we. I wish we, or if only we could. If only we could be together. Let's listen to Pink. She knows something about that.
I wish I could touch you again. I wish I could still call you friend.
That's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it was useful and pretty clear. If not, write down your questions in comments below and I will eagerly answer all of them. See you next time. Bye bye.